Hi everyone. Let's close your eyes and imagine this. You are looking deep into the space, not the bright stars, but at the invisible clouds where the planets and stars are being born. But there is a problem. Our Earth atmosphere is like a wet blanket, which blocks the cosmic messages. This problem, there is a solution. Today, I am going to tell you the how Indian scientists discovered two new incredible brand new places in the Ladakh that may go that may discover the new cosmic window of our universe. Ready to explore? Let's go. Before let I say that what the discovery at them, let's ask a simple question. What is submillimeter telescope? Think of normal telescope as eyes. This see visible light. This special telescope are like super sensitive ears, listening to very long radio waves from extremely cold places in space, places where stars are forming right now. But there is a catch. Water vapor in the air, which is all in the air, water vapor, the same stuff that makes clouds and rain. Space acts like fog for these radio waves. Waves. The less water vapor, the clearer the view. Scientists measure this as PWV, precipitable water vapor. Scientists dream of places. They dream of places where PWV is less than 1 millimeter so that there will be clear vision and clearest photo of that. What they want to take a photo of that. That's like trying to find the driest, highest spots on earth. How to find it? Let's see. Before that, I will ask some question. Tell me the question. Where do you think the best place on earth for this would be? Antarctica, Chile, or India? Comment your guess or answers in the comments. Okay? Let me tell you the Indian discovery. This scientist didn't climb every mountain. They simply didn't come climb every mountain, see the driest place, and put the telescope and see the. No, not like that. They didn't climb the every mountain. Instead, they used a very intelligent, simplest way. They used super smart weather data called ERA 5. Basically, a super accurate 15-year weather history of the entire planet of our Earth. It has a 15 years data, so much data. They studied that data. They looked entire Ladakh plateau. They studied entire Ladakh plateau, that cold, high desert in northern India, near the Himalayas. They checked every grid square, like every grid, every pixels like that. Every grid square, like checking thousands of tiny pods on a Google map. Guess what they found? It is very exciting to say. Exciting observations had Hanley and Mirak are already good, but they found two brand new stars locations. The one that is Site A near 34.25 degree north and 78.75 degree east, and Site B, second one, near 32.50 degree north, ಆಮೇಲೆ 70.00 degree east. Site A always below the magical 1 millimeter water vapor mark. Remember that I said PWV, na? That is 1 millimeter water vapor below that mark for 23% of the time. For 23% of the time, it is below the 1 millimeter vapor. So almost 5 times better than Henlek. And the best part is this super dry days mostly happen in winter, perfect for stargazing. And wait a minute, wait a minute, and pause this video for 5 seconds. And imagine of a giant telescope. Okay, imagine of a giant telescope sitting on this mountain. And what would do you want to discover? Tell me in comments. Tell me what do you want to discover? Anything in the comments, like Thanos or aliens or anything interesting or not. Tell me in the comments. Okay, let's go next part. Okay. And now let's have seen the discovery of India and some information. And now question, is it how good is it really? Now let's discuss about it. Now let's compare with the big boys. Okay, now we will compare this big boys means big telescopes. The world's best sub-millimeter telescope is ALMA in Chile. It's amazing. But these new Ladakh sites, especially in winter, get very close to ALMS performance. They ran computer simulation using a simple program called AM. AM, not that time clock, AM, PM, not that AM. That predicts how clear the sky would be. Result, at these new sites, the sky becomes transparent enough to study the birth of the stars, planets much better. Before happy to say this, India would finally have its own world class seat in the sub-millimeter table, perfect for looking at the northern sky that southern telescope can't see well. Let's move to the next part. Okay. We have seen the discovery and how we discovered intelligently, and let's see about why this matters and call to action. First, we will discuss about why this matters. Why it is matters. This isn't just about a telescope. This is about India stepping into big science. It means more discoveries, more jobs for scientists and engineers, and more young Indians will get excited about the universe. The paper says these are promising, but we don't rely on that. But now we need people to go there with real instruments and check, does it says exactly what paper says or not. Who knows? Maybe in 10 years we will have an Indian sub-millimeter telescope changing our understanding how planets and stars are born. Who knows? Maybe in 10 years if we do it. Okay. Now, here is your challenge. This is call to action. Share this video with one friend who loves space. Comment, I want to build this telescope if you are excited. Let's make noise. This was the video. Maybe end this video. So next time, look at the Himalayas. Remember, they might just not beautiful mountain. They are not just beautiful mountains. See that, wow, what a beautiful mountains. Not like that. They could be humanity next great window to the stars, stepping into the stars. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe it and share to your friends who are interested in exploring the universe, understanding the universe, and know how the universe works. And I will see you in the next cosmic adventure. Till then, Jai Hind.